Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the update on Filecoin. Recently, the price of Filecoin has broken down the support of this descending triangle. By the way, at this support, we had a complete support zone that was starting from $5 and goes to $4.60. And this bottom of the support zone was working as a support of this descending triangle as well. And after the breakdown, the technical target for this breakdown was, by the way, here that was approximately at $2.96, and you can see that the price then dropped more than that. And here, by the way, we had a quite long-term support of $3.20. And here, despite this long spike, the price and could not break it down. This candlestick was closed at $3.50. Now, recently, the previous candlestick is close below the support, and now the current candlestick is trying to break out this resistance. The previous support is now acting as a resistance of $3.20. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel and from this descending triangle as well. You can see that after the breakout from this descending triangle, we had a nice pump, but the price end was rejected by this resistance of $8.12. And I would also like to show you another very, very massive breakout that has happened here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 18th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this descending triangle. And after getting squeezed, we had a big drop and we have already achieved the target for the breakdown from this triangle. And now the price has recently almost broken down this support of $3.20 because the previous candlestick is closed below this support and now we are trying to break it out once again. By the way, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $3.20 is working as a very, very strong support for the past several weeks or months. Therefore, it will be better that we would watch out for the weekly closing below this support because this is a very, very long-term support. In fact, it's a complete support zone from $3.12 and goes to $2.68. It had been previously working as support zone here, support zone here, support zone here and support zone here. And now again, we are having a long spike inside the support zone. In fact, the price then tested the bottom of the support zone and now it is geared up and trying to break out. This is of $3.20. Now, if we take a look at the previous breakouts, then you can see that we have already broken out this channel and the descending triangle. We have already hit the target for the breakout from this descending triangle. But so far, the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That target is here at the top of the channel at $11.40. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this $11.40 has been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, this pattern, is here at the top of the wedge that is approximately somewhere between $250 to $300. This also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.